the one and only great rapper catcher. Today he will be catching a saltwater taffy rapper. Hey, Ricky, sit. Go! Yay! Thank you. Catch! Oh yeah! Drop it. Drop it. Yeah! Good boy. A little farther. Oh yeah, drop it. Drop it. One more. He throws. Oh, my fault. Yeah. Yeah. Give me it. Okay. All right. I'm doing it from far away now, as you can see. Whoops. My bad. Oh, come on, Ricky. You gotta move. Hip, hip. Hooray. Yeah. That's all for today. And Owen and Ricky's great fun.